Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The today topic is radiation and its hazards. Radiation, very important today point of view, because radiations are used in our different fields of life, especially in health, to cure and to diagnose a lot of diseases nowadays. Radiation are used in health department. Source of radiation exposure. There are two main sources of radiations. Number one, natural, and number two, man-made. Natural, which are due to the natural environment, which is not affected by man, and the other sources are the man-made, in which man influences the sources. The natural are the following. Number one, cosmic rays, environmental, which is terrestrial and atmospheric, and number three, internal. The man-made are the following: medical and dental x-rays, radioisotope, number two, nuclear radioactive fallout, number three, miscellaneous, television sets, radioactive, dial watch, isotope tagged product, and luminous markers. These are the sources of radiation which are present in the earth. Types of radiation. The type of radiations are following: ionizing, which are electromagnetic radiation, and corpuscular radiation, and the other is non-ionizing radiations. These are the main types of radiation. Some common environmental radiations. These are the radiations. Type of radiation: approximate penetrating ability in air, tissue, and lead. Alpha particle, which can penetrate the air 4 cm, in tissue 0.04 mm, and there is no penetration of alpha particle to the lead. Beta particle, which is in air 6 to 300 cm, very large penetration, and tissue 0.06 to 4 mm, and in the lead is also 0.005 to 0.3 centimeter. Beta particle can penetrate the lead also. Gamma rays, which is in air 400 meters and tissue 50 cm, and in the lead 40 mm. X-rays, 120 to 240 meters in air, 15 to 30 cm in tissue, and 0.03 mm in lead. Cosmic rays, some component very high. So alpha particle can only penetrate air, while beta, gamma, and X-rays can penetrate tissue and lead too. Radiation units. There are three main radiation units, which is roentgens, rad, and rem. These three units are used to measure the radiation in exposure in a different area. So nowadays, roentgen, rad, and rem are the important units of radiation. Biological effects of radiation. Following are the biological effect. Number one, somatic effect, and number two, genetic effect. Somatic effect, which is on the body on the same generation, while the genetic effect, which can on the next generation too. So genetic effect are the more important for embryology point of view and for human development. Somatic effect further divided into two: immediate effect and delayed effect. The immediate effect is radiation sickness, acute radiation syndrome, and the delayed effect, somatic delayed effect, are the number one, leukemia, carcinogens, fetal development abnormalities, and number four, shortening of life. The other main biological effect are the genetics. Genetic effects are the chromosome mutations and point mutations. These two are at the chromosome levels, which can affect the next generation of human. So these are the two main effects: somatic and genetics. Somatic can be into immediate and delayed, while the genetics for the next generation. Radiation protection. Lead-apron, which is 0.5 mm of lead, will reduce intensity of scattered X-rays over 90%. Adequate control and surveillance of X-rays installation protection of workers, improvement in techniques and improvements leading to dose reduction. Worker must wear film badge or dosimeter. Periodic medical examination, regular working hour, recreation and holidays must be ensured to workers. So radiations are very dangerous. Protection is better than cure. So protection is very important. So person working in the department of radiology and in the radiations and nuclear departments should keep in mind the protective measures. Radiation hygiene. The International Commission on Radiation Protection (ICRP) recommendations on radiation dose level. The International Atomic Energy Agency (IAEA) main concern has to be promote peaceful uses of atomic energy and to assure that these uses do not imperial peace or health. The World Health Organization published permissible radiation level in drinking water. So these are the agencies which are used, which control the radiation hygiene in the world. Thank you very much. This is the radiation, its measurement units and its effects, and the radiation hygiene and radiation protection. So student should understand all these topics, which is very important nowadays. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.